It's Josh with Northwest Roof Maintenance. Today I'm going to be reflashing a chimney in Washougal, Washington. You can see kind of up there. It's going to be a pretty straightforward job. Going to remove all of the shingles and the ridge within 4 feet of one way and 4 foot of the other, and about 2 feet down from the chimney, and install new step flashing, new top chimney pan, and new bottom chimney pan. And it's going to be pretty straightforward. I'll do a little bit before and after, but right now you can see a little bit of what we're seeing from the sky with the drone. I'm all finished up. Here's the final result. If you're in need of any chimney flashing, give us a call at Northwest Roof Maintenance.